If you're having a hard time gaining views on your YouTube video, then don't worry, because the streaming platform has announced a change to how it counts public views on videos. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. YouTube will now count a view as soon as a video begins playback. The original approach to views will still be tracked as engaged views for creators who value seeing how often people stick with their content. But now, this revised policy will take effect globally beginning August 24th and just change how you get your views. YouTube said of the change on its support pages, writing, "Historically, we've used multiple view counting systems across different formats. However, we've heard that creators want to eliminate this metric confusion and accurately understand their true exposure, which is why we're making this update." The shift essentially means that YouTube is now treating regular videos the same as shorts, as the company removed the minimum playtime requirement for that format in 2025. At the time, the change made shorts analytics more similar to those offered for videos on TikTok and Instagram. People who are monetizing on YouTube, or hope to do so, should know that the altered view counts will not impact earnings or eligibility, which since last week, YouTube doubled several of the requirements content creators would need to meet for participation in the partner program. YouTube Post confirmed that creator earnings will continue to be based on engaged short views and engaged watch hours, which you can view in YouTube Analytics in advanced mode. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update.